Welcome to today's topic. We are the students of NIT Raipur from Civil Engineering branch. Our team, the Invisibles. Now we are going to present communication project on self-motivation.
Now our team will introduce ourselves. I am Varshini.
I am Pramod.
I am Pavitra.
I am Vamshi.
I am Neeza.
I am Karan Kumar.
We are thankful to our communication faculty to provide this golden opportunity. Let's get started.
Welcome everyone to today's session on the transformative power of self-motivation. In a world brimming with distractions and challenges, mastering the art of self-motivation is a crucial personal and professional success. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of empowering ourselves to achieve our loftiest goals and aspirations. Understanding self-motivation. Self-motivation is the internal force that propels us towards our objectives even in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Unlike external motivation, which relies on rewards from others, self motivation emerges from or within or driven or deserves passions and beliefs. It is the fuel that sustains our perseverance and commitment to excellence. The power of our purpose. At the heart of self motivation lies a deep sense of purpose. Clarifying our goals and aligning them with our values induces action and meaning and significance. When we understand why we pursue certain objectives, we cultivate unwavering determination to overcome the obstacles and stay the course, regardless of the challenges that may arise. By this, cultivating a growth mindset. A growth mindset is essential for nurturing self motivation, embracing the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through the dedication and effort. These efforts empower us to view setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than the failures. By reframing these challenges as stepping stones to success, we maintain a positive outlook and remain steadfast in our pursuit of excellence. For these excellence, we need to get setting our smart goals, setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound, which are known as smart goals, provides us a roadmap to our journey to success and aspire our actionable steps. We create a clear pathway forward, enhancing our focus and motivation. Celebrating milestones along the way reinforces our progress and fuels our determination to continue moving forward. For this, cultivating resilience. Resilience is the bedrock of self motivation, enabling us to bounce back from the desires, adversity, and the setbacks or the challenges we faced in our roadmap to success. Embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, strengths, and resilient muscle, equipping us emerge stronger than before. By cultivating a resilient mindset, we harness the power of setbacks to fuel our drive towards success. For this, we need to practice self-compassion. Self-compassion is essential for sustaining self-motivation on our journey towards success. Treating ourselves with kindness and understanding our setbacks is the face of setbacks or failures towards resilience. By acknowledging our humanity and embracing our imperfections, we cultivate a sense of inner worthiness that fuels our determination to pursue our goals despite the inevitable obstacles along the way. In conclusion, self motivation is the cornerstone of personal and professional success, empowering us to overcome obstacles, achieve our goals, and live a fulfilling life. By harnessing the power of purpose, cultivating a growth mindset, setting smart goals, cultivating resilience, and practicing self compassion, we unlock our full potential and unleash our inner drive to create the life we desire. As we embark on our journey, let us remember that the power to achieve greatness lies within each of us, waiting to be unleashed through the transformative force of self motivation.
Motivation is considered to be a driving force that compels or reinforces an action toward a desired goal. This definition is the closest to my own belief of what motivation is. Motivation is something I had never really thought much about until the last 5 years while doing different courses. Challenging myself to learn new things was a good way of learning about the real me and what motivates me. My decision to teach English to non-speakers of English language was made over a 6-month period, and during that time motivation to help others what kept that decision clear. During that course can be challenging at times, and without motivation none of us would get through. The end goal is what keeps us going and helps us to push forward through the task that may be fearful to us. All ages need motivation to to keep interested in learning. Any topic, regardless of how interesting it may be, will become boring if the teacher does nothing to keep the students motivated. As a teacher, this is especially true due to the fact that the students speak very little English and therefore need to be kept focused on the lesson so as not to lose interest. Motivating the students is an important factor in their learning. I remember doing at school and how boring I thought it was at the time. For non English speakers, it could be even more if they are not kept motivated with tasks and activities that they just need motivation to keep them interested in learning. Any topic, regardless of how interesting it may be, will become boring if the teacher does nothing to keep the students motivated. As this is especially true due to the fact that the students speak very little English and therefore need to be kept focused on the lesson so as not to lose interest. Motivating the students is an important factor in their learning. I remember doing English at school and how boring I thought it was that time. For non-English speakers, it could be even more so if they are not kept motivated with tasks and activities that get against as soon as I start planning a lesson. I need to think of the ages and learning levels of the students I will be teaching and what things will motivate them to learn. There are many websites that I can check to find lots of different learning activities. There is where my motivation also needs to be high. So I believe that being accepted by your peers and society is the most important thing to most people beyond the basic necessity to survive. This being the case, the motivation to succeed or achieve is very high in today's views that intrinsic motivation is important. What he says about the students continually structuring and restructuring their environment also goes back to my previous comments about acceptance. Similar to keeping up about the Jones, if it gets a nice new car, then chance mindset is essential for nurturing self-motivation, embracing the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and effort, empowers us to view setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than failures. By reframing challenges as stepping stones to success, we maintain a positive outlook and remain steadfast in our pursuit of excellence.
Today, I wish to talk some few words on self-motivation. We are really lucky to have a great life in this world, that too as a human. I strongly believe that nothing is impossible to us. If we have the ability to conquer anything, we are well confident about ourselves. We may fail, but if we are start to motivate ourselves, definitely success will be ours. This is the power of motivation. We can't motivate ourselves with words, but we can't do it with patience. That will really inspire us. Many of us depend on the other for getting motivation, but no one use at all because they are motivating us from the experiences. We must motivate us through experiences that only we can achieve our goals. We must put ourselves until we reach the goal. Lastly, I want to complete my this message by quoting that arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is achieved. In conclusion, self-motivation is cornerstone of personal and professional success, empowering us to overcome obstacles, achieving our goals, and live a fulfilling life. But by harnessing the power of purpose, cultivating a growth mindset, setting a smart goals, cultivating resilience, and practicing self-compassion, we unlock our potential and unleash our inner drive to create the life we desire. As we embark on our journey, let us remember that the power to achieve greatness lies within each of us, waiting to be unleashed through the transformative force of self-motivation. Thank you.
Everyone suggests other than the person lack motivation or directly suggests the person to remain motivated. But no one ever tells them what is a motivation and how can one can stay motivated. Motivation means to face the obstacles and find the inspiration that helps you to go through tough times. In addition, it helps you to move further in life. Motivation is something that cannot be understood with words, but with practice. It means to be motivated by something so strongly that it can become an inspiration for you. Furthermore, it is discipline that helps you to achieve your goals, also helps to become success in your life. Besides, it is the most common practice that everyone does, whether it is your boss or in office or the school teacher or in university professor, everyone motivates other in a way or other. It is a strong tool that helps to get ahead in life. For being motivated, we need a driving tool or goal that helps us motivated and moves forward. Also, it helps in being progressive both physically and mentally. Moreover, your goal does not depend. Furthermore, you need right mindset to be motivated. Besides, you need to push yourself towards your goal. No one other than you can push your limit. Also, you should be willing to leave your comfort zone because your true potential is going to revel when you leave your comfort zone. Though there is various types of motivation, according to me, there are generally two types of motivation that are self-motivation and motivation by others. Motivation, it refers to the power of someone to stay motivated without the influence of other situations and people. Furthermore, self-motivated people are always find a way to reason and strength to complete a task. Also, they do not need other people to encourage them to perform a challenging task. Motivation by others. This motivation requires help from others as a person is not able to maintain a self-motivated state. In this, a person requires encouragement from others. Also, he needs to listen to motivational speeches, a strong goal, and most importantly, an inspiration. Motivation is very important for overall development of the personality and the mindset of the people. It also puts a person in action in a competitive state. Furthermore, it improves efficiency and desire to achieve the goal. It leads to stability and improvement in work. It satisfies a person's needs and to achieve his or her goal. It helps the person to fight his native attitude. The person also tries to come out of his or her comfort zone so that she or he can achieve the goal. To conclude, motivation is one of the key elements that help a person to be successful. A motivated person tries to push his limits. Motivation is one of the key elements that help a person to be successful. A motivated person tries to push his limits or always tries to improve his performance day by day. Also, the person always gives his or her best no matter what the task is. Besides, the person always tries to remain progressive and dedicated to his or her goals. Thank you.
Self-motivation is an internal drive that people's individual to take action towards their goal fueled by their own desires and ambitions. It is the force that push up their works diligently, invest efforts in self-development and achieve people fulfillment. Here is a definition: self-motivation is the force that drives you to do things. It is the intrinsic motivation that arises from genuinely wants to achieve and desire their inherent rewards associated with it. Imagine two scenarios. You have to a task you must complete, although you know practically excited about it. A scene of obligation motivation you to do work hard and finish it. You have a task you go to do. You genuinely interested in it. Persevere and assign it to yourself and you are happy to do invested time and effort to complete.
Self-motivation is the inner drive and determination to achieve goals, to overcome obstacles and prioritize personal growth without external influence or reward. It involves setting clear objectives, maintaining a positive mindset, staying focused, and taking constant action towards aspiration. Setting clear goals depends specific achievable objective towards having clear goals provide direction and purpose. Maintaining positive mindset. Cultivate optimism and belief in your abilities. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Finding inspiration. Seek inspiration from various sources such as books, podcasts, role models, or personal experience. Taking action. Break tasks into manageable steps and take constant action towards your goals. Progress, no matter how small, build in motivations. Stay persistent, embrace challenges and setbacks and opportunity for growth. Stay committed to your goals even when faced with obstacles. Rewarding yourself. Celebrate achievement no matter how small to reinforce positive behavior and maintain motivation. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with supportive individual you how encourage and inspire you to reach your potential. Continuous learning. Stay curious and open to new ideas. Continuously seek opportunity to learn and improve yourself. By converting the practice into your daily routine, you can enhance your self-motivation and achieve great success in your endeavors. Visualizing success. Create a vivid mental image of achieving your goals. Visualizing success can increase motivation. Creating a supportive environment. Arrange your environment to minimize distractions and enhance productivity. Surround yourself with positive influence and remove or minimize negative ones. Building momentum. Start with small manageable tasks. To build momentum, start with small manageable tasks. To build momentum, gradually tackles larger goals, progress, fuel, motivation. Practicing self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge your effects even if you experience setbacks or failures. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to friends. Developing self-discipline. Cultivate self-discipline by establishing routines, setting boundaries and importance, take task effective. Reflecting on progress. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals and celebrate your milestones. Reflect on what's working well. Identify areas for improvement. Seeking feedback, sources feedback from trusted individuals to gain insights into your progress and areas for growth. Constructive feedback can help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for. Focusing on the positive aspects of your life can help shift your mindset towards on evidence and motivation. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive social connections can provide encouragement and motivation during challenging times. Visualizing success. Create a mental image of yourself achieving your goals. Set deadlines. Establish deadlines for your goals and tasks to create a sense of organization and accountability. This can help to prevent procrastination and keep you focused and making progress. Seek feedbacks. Solicit feedback from others on your progress and performance. Constructive feedback can provide valuable insights and motivation for improvement. Stay inspired. Continuously seek out sources of inspiration that resonate with you, whether it's reading books, listening podcasts, and attending workshops. Exposing yourself to new ideas and perspectives and can resonate your motivation.